Okay, Mr. Wazakowski. So, so the wiring used in here is lamp cord.
Your grandpa's in here.
It's a heavy gauge lamp cord, but it's just lamp cord. The It looks like the ground is daisy chained. However, that's not where the ground goes. The ground goes on the mounts. That, for example, is where the hot gets to the gauge. When you turn your key on, the hot goes to the gauge where it says ignition, and then the signal wire would be on this terminal. And right now, the signal wire is not on that. They've daisy chained a ground, which you need a ground so that your instrument lights work. And then this one, says, I can't read under here. That's probably ignition up there. It could be either one. We don't know which one's ignition and which one is when I review the video, I might see. But this one clearly says ignition on the top terminal. Which gauge is this guy right here? Oh, I guess I could turn it around and see.
I think that's a temp gauge.
Temperature gauge? Okay. So there's no signal wire on the temperature gauge. There's nothing to go from the temperature gauge to the engine. What's this guy?
That's probably fuel.
Fuel?
Yeah, it don't say anything, just has dots on it.
Okay. Let's see. I guess I could turn this around. Maybe. No, it's not gonna let me turn it around.
But it's probably fuel.
All right. So, same story. There's the ignition, but there's no signal wire. Again, this is a daisy chain ground, and it should be on the mount. Is this one amps?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah. So there's nothing hooked to that. One terminal should have a wire from the battery. The other terminal should have a wire from the voltage regulator. What's this guy?
Oil.
And that's oil pressure. Okay. Same story. There's not an ignition wire on it, nor is there a signal wire on it. And then you have a mechanical tach, but your engine is not set up to accept a mechanical tach. And and like I say, it's not wired with marine wire. It's wired with lamp cord. Now, in defense of wiring with lamp cord, the 1940s and 50s, Thompson boats, they were little outboard boats. They were wired with lamp cord. So I don't think that's necessarily the end of the world, but it's not the best. Should be using like a tinned copper marine wire. We have that, but of course we'll be doing tin copper marine wire on all the gauges to the engine, and then your bilge pump. I don't know if you can see your bilge pump down there, but you can see that yellow connector on the end of your bilge pump wire. Your bilge pump's not wired in. So we got quite a bit more than just install the engine to do, unless you just want us to put the engine in place, and then you want to do all this. Maybe that was your intention. If you wanted to do all that, then like say, I'm going to have to put together a price for you, and because it won't be as cheap as I thought it was going to be. Because we're not just installing the engine, we're fixing a number of things. On this bracket for your steering column, there's usually a block on the back side of the dash, and that block is not there. Matter of fact, there's some switches in place there, so we're going to improvise a way we're going to put a block across here some way. It's not too difficult, and then we'll fasten that into the dash, or up into the deck beams. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you a fair warning that we'll obviously we'll be fair with one another. We want to give you fair warning that it's going to be a little bit more involved, and which leads me to go ahead and want to do a estimate for what I see, and then you can pick and choose the things you want to do in the estimate. The wiring is a no-brainer; it has to be done. The stuff on the stainless steel that could improve the looks, that doesn't have to be done. The windshield work that I've described doesn't have to be done. So, like I say, I'll put those as separate line items, and you can tell me what you'd like us to do and what you'd like us to forego, and to stay in your budget, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much for listening. Sorry about the bad news, and we'll talk to you soon.